Hello guys, for this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to make this turban. A subscriber sent this picture to me. Although this turban, it's kids turban, it's meant for children, and she pleaded I should make this design on my channel, so I felt like teaching you guys. Please, I have a WhatsApp group where you can send in the designs you wish to learn. So if you're interested in doing that, send me a message on the number on your screen and I'll add you up to that group, okay? So without wasting time, let's start the tutorial. This particular turban I used velvet material, and one side is stretchy while the other side is not stretchy. The stretchy part is the length part. This particular turban I'll be making for a kid of 3 years. The length measures 18 inches by 13 inches width. 18 inches length by 13 inches width. Alright, so remember I told you the stretchy part is what I'll be using. If I've worked with velvet material, you'll notice the velvet material at times it acts funny. So I normally use my pins as a guide. So that I'll be folding now is just 1 inch. Just take 1 inch inside this way and I use my pin as a guide. Then take it to my sewing machine and sew down as usual, okay? This particular turban is a quick one. Yes, it's a quick one and easy one. So just watch and you understand it. So I'm going to fold it this way, making the wrong side to face you. So once I'm done doing that, I'm going to take pin again. Remember I told you I love using pin when it comes to velvet material to avoid stories that touches the heart. So I'm going to place it this way. I'm going to pin the edges that are not equal. Then use your scissors to trim off the way I'm doing. So once I'm done trimming it off, I'll be getting this shape or this pattern. Before I open it up, please, you can get this design, this turban design in 2 ways. You can sew down this way, down. A normal way of sewing turban. You can sew down, but when you get to this tip, this particular place, just like 1 inch, you stop. You leave like 1 inch hole. You know, I've taught you how to make loop, one of my old turbans on my channel. Just leave that tip open for a loop. But this particular design that one of us sent, my subscribers sent, what you just do is open it up this way and form your gathers. Just know that whether you do that way or you do this one, you still get the same turban for kids, okay? Alright, so what I'll be doing now is I'll be sewing down with my needle and thread, using a running stitch. Don't forget to use a matching thread, okay? So I'll start up this way and do my running stitch. That's forming my gathers. Alright, after doing your running stitch, you now knot your thread and the turban is ready. Then the pieces I'm holding is for the bow and it measures 10 inches length by 6 inches width. I'll be using this for the bow design. So just watch closely and see the way I'll be forming the bow. So once you're done with everything, you sew down this way, okay? You're going to sew it down, but please note, while sewing, make sure you create space here, hole here. You understand? Just hold for turning up. See what I mean? I'm done sewing mine. I can see the way it is. Just make sure you pick that arc that is like arrow arc. So you're not going to open it up, turn it out this way. Then after turning it out, I'll also be using my scissors to bring out the sharp edges, so everything will be nice. So this is how to get that shape of bow design. So guys, next thing I'll be doing now is to locate the center of this bow. Then I'll attach it to the turban itself. Just watch and see the way I do the attachment and the way I'll be forming my bow. So guys, once you are done attaching and forming your bow, what you now do is to adjust the edges. You can see what I'm doing. And once you get your desired shape, you leave your turban that way, and that's it. So see you guys next time. Thank you.